Okay, traders. Hey, traders. Welcome to Awesome Forex. Welcome to Awesome Forex. It is another day, another time, another weekend, and always the energy is there and the blessing have come. Always we share things, we share contents, trading ideas. So welcome to Awesome Forex, and here's our homepage. Make sure you follow those important links. And our today's target mainly is on trading setups. We're going to share trading setups, trading analysis to see what's going to happen in the coming week. And also we have to see what has happened. That gives us a projection of what is expected to happen in the coming week. So we had analysis for this week. We had analysis, and it's this one. We had analysis for this week. So now for the past week we analyzed gold, and also we had USD card, but always USD card was private and gold was public. So now let us see what happened on gold. So mainly we were expecting that gold has completed the 5-wave move down. A 5-wave move down, which is mainly an A wave. A 5-wave move down was an A wave in a correction. So we were expecting wave B to take place. Our expectation was wave B to take place in the upside. So now the reason that we had this wave 5 completed right at this area was due to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down, because we already had the 5 wave here, then we had the 5 wave here in the third wave, then we had the correction, then 5 wave was here, and now the expectation was wave 5 is truncated. We were expecting truncation in the 5th wave. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was completion of those 5th wave down. But now usually wave 5 has got various characteristics, including truncation, but sometimes it may be extended, or sometimes it may play equality with the previous waves. So anything can happen in the 5th wave. That's why trading the 5th wave is somehow too hard. It's too hard compared to the 3rd wave. But always the 5th wave may be traded in just a short distance. Mainly you can trade it and putting your take profits around the peak of the 3rd wave. So in this wave we were expecting this truncation, but now what happened, the 5th wave became extended. It became extended when the market opens. The 5th wave became extended. So we were expecting this upward move, which moved just shortly. It was on Monday. We traded it upward, and now holding that trade on the second day, now it turned down. Actually it turned down because the move was like this. The movement was like this. So it moved up a little bit on Monday, and then on the remaining day it pushed down, and on Friday, it was on Thursday and Friday, I think it was Thursday and Friday, always it started pushing up in this move. It started pushing up. So now the observation now has changed. The observation has changed due to extension of the 5th wave. Due to extension of the 5th wave, observation has changed, whereby now our market outlook is like this. Now this is in a daily time frame, so I can start in a higher time frame to show what do we expect in the higher time frame, and then I will go down to lower time frame, at least up to hourly time frame. So now looking on a daily time frame, we have completed this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, including that extension that happened in this week. So wave A is now completed. Now we are confident that wave A is completed. There's no further extension up to this area. So if wave A is completed, so we expect a correction in wave B. We expect a correction to take upward, an upward correction in wave B. So for the coming week we'll be looking for the upward move in wave B. And now trading this upward move, it needs it needs combination of factors. In order to enter into this trade, you need a combination of factors. Several factors must be there, or we call them as confluence. So one of the confluence that we're going to look here is a channel. You see, Now market was bouncing somewhere there. Market was bouncing in this falling. It is something like a falling wedge. Something like a falling wedge. So market was bouncing down, bouncing into this channel. So in order to trade this wave B, we need to see a clear breakout, then a retest. Finally we'll hit this wave B. So that's what we expect to happen. Always market must break this channel, then must retest, and then it will hit that wave B. That's what we see. That's the possibility of market movement in the coming week. So now this is just a very sharp analysis, but we can include other things. We have target in this of this wave B, a target of this wave B. So how far this wave B can move, we can add this upper channel again. We can add this upper channel. So we expect this upward move will hit this upper channel, and then it will start falling. So the major target now the major target for the fall is going to be the maximum fall is expected to be around this area. This is the maximum fall, and it's not going to happen in the coming week. Actually, it will take somehow too long to hit this downward move if this will be clearly wave B. So trading this wave C down, now it will need an understanding of wave B structure. Maybe let's go to lower time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. So now we need to have a clear picture or a clear understanding of the structure of this wave B. Now if this wave B will be clearly formed, displaying all displaying among those known structures of wave B, if it will display anyone among those known building structures of wave B, so that will add a clue for us to trade wave C down. But now what has yet happened here? We have to look on what has yet happened around this area. So this is in gold. Actually, this is in gold. But remember, we had another analysis in USD card that has done very well. Analysis in USD card, this one I will talk later. The idea on USD card. This was a private analysis. It was shared among just members within a house. Actually, I'm talking about those members within a house, within some forex trading house. So we had this in a house. Actually, it has done very well. It has done the best. Actually, we have made a lot from this analysis, whereby we're expecting a fall, then a rise up to this area, then a fall. So maybe I can share this. You can do your own observation in the coming week. Usually other pairs out of gold, always other pairs out of gold, they are not shared for free. So for your own observation in the coming week, you have to watch USD card selling. You have to see USD card selling. We were expecting in this week market will fall, in USD card will rise up and then hit that level, then will fall. Always it has done that thing. Clearly. So I'm just showing you how we do other analysis which are done in the house, and then how other analysis are done always, which are always we put them public. Mainly gold is used as a public analysis. But you see this one, it did well. Actually, it did well. So my target here is to see what's going to happen on gold. So gold up to the moment, gold has yet done the 1, 2, 3, 4. Now is running with the wave 5. So probably wave 5 may hit that level. Probably. Wave 5 may hit this level. It depends just this one. It means if it will be extended, or it will if it will have equality with the third wave. If it will have equality with the third wave, we expect wave 5 to move beyond this area. We expect wave 5 to move beyond this area. It will break this level, retest, then move up to that peak, then it will fall. So if it will clearly move up to this area, now it will be completing the first wave in wave B, which will be wave A. Then it will fall with the wave. Now it will be something like this. Maybe I can show it. This will be wave A, this will be B now, this will be C to the top, whereby this is in a lower degree. Now I can lower degree like this. So this will be an A, B, C to the top. So this wave B will be retest to this channel, now. Wave B will be retest to this channel, and finally it will hit wave C to the top. So what I need you to focus for this week, is this upward move. If it will clearly display what I'm showing here, so it will give us a clue to trade this fall in the coming weeks. Now in the coming weeks we'll trade this fall around this area, but we are able also to trade this rise here after retest. We need to see a big retest here. It must fall to retest around this area, and then we will rise with this pair. We are going to buy in the coming week if it will display this clear structure. So now this is an overview on outlook in gold. So what you're supposed to do is to add your own analysis. Make sure that you add your own analysis. Always we provide an outlook. It is just based on our observations, and we don't just take trades straight to that particular direction without having confluence with the other factors. So you have to add confluence. There are many confluence that you can add in your analysis in order to open a trade in that particular direction that we have suggested. This is just a suggested direction. It doesn't mean a trade. Most of people, they think those are trades. Maybe you have just they think maybe on Monday you have just to place a buy trade. No, it is not like that. Always you have to wait on Monday and then watch the market formation. After watching the market formation, if it will provide you with evidences to buy, so it will align with what we have seen here, that market is going to rise up. So for those who are trading in house, actually they know we must sit down and wait for those confluence before taking trade. We have watched the market. Example here, we have seen that market is going to buy. It may buy now. Market, it may buy up to that particular level. After buying to that particular level, usually it must retest. So what I can advise here is that once the market has moved up to that particular area and then it has retested, always your trade must be taken after this retest. That is all. Don't buy this upward move. This is the fifth wave, which is usually not that too much predictable. Always it can be truncated, it can be extended, it can play equality with the previous waves. So anything can happen in the fifth wave. So don't take this trade. Wait for retest. Wait for retest. So after retest, that can be deep up to around this area. After retest, that can be deep around to this area, so we can buy. So our buying opportunity will start around this area. So that is an overview. So welcome to Awesome Forex, and make sure that you follow those links to our major areas where we share analysis, We share trading ideas and other things. So make sure that you click those buttons there if you are using computer. For computer users, actually they can have access to those major buttons here, and for those who use phones, tablets and other things, actually they can find those links on a video description. So thank you for your time and welcome to Awesome Forex, and trade wisely.